Hello. We're gonna teach our kids, my kids, about leaving certain parts of the yard long, as far as the grass goes, and untouched. And I bet we're gonna have all kinds of little insects and critters in there that wouldn't normally be in the short lawn. And right now, it's was full of wishes all over the place. And I set the kids off with the Dysons to hopefully help not have the lawn. This whole lawn was covered with them like this. So hold on, you guys ready to show them how good these work?
Yeah.
Okay, remember you're gonna go super fast? Maybe. All right, you ready? Set, go. Hold on, good job, Gibby, good job, guys. Some behind you. Oop, there's a whole bunch there. Oh, I see a big one over there. I see some, Gibson. I see some over here. Look at this. This is great. You can see all the little stalks where they were, but you're not making more in my yard. Even though they are a beautiful flower. Hey, I got, well, healthy. By beautiful, I mean healthy. You can eat these. Dandelions are edible. Hey, hey, hey. Good job, guys. Is that all of them? Oh, I see one over there. All right, great job. Not completely natural habitat, but all right.